I got a problem with some trespassers, and I'm sure maybe you know it or don't know it, but y'all may have the same problem I do. What's up, you guys? I appreciate it. Be sure and like and subscribe. Not the conclusion I exactly wanted, but these trespassers went from trespassers to thieves. So, got y'all a little video here. What happens next is up to them. They've got some records. Not looking too good for them, to be honest with you. And one of them's got a warrant. So, and now they got more warrants. They're more wanted after this. So, appreciate you boys. Get up in there, dudes. And just a little bonus video. That's still got a conclusion coming. You know we gotta wrap this up tight. We gotta wrap it up real tight. So we're gonna make sure that happens. I'm on my way home. They were still looking for the guy who shot the policeman. I'm watching my wood line and I see a bunch of buckets and other stuff that isn't supposed to be there. So I go check it out. So I'm like in disbelief right now. I don't even know what to really say. Pots and pans at the creek. Right. I didn't want to go clear the woods myself because this guy was still at large. So I assumed it was my neighbor trespassing, but it looked like a hobo camp to me. So I decided I would wait until the officer got here. Called the sheriff. This was about 2 weeks ago. Sheriff shows up, takes a report, goes over, tries to trespass the guy. Can't find him. Comes back. Keep going. You don't have to stop. There you go. Now just keep cruising back. I'll let you know when you're close to it.
You going straight?
Yeah. All right, that's good, I guess. That's good, Blake. Here, spot me, brother. What have we got here? Just leaving shit out here all the time. There's some more shit. There's somebody in that shed right there. What the fuck is this shit? 2 big ass locks on it. This motherfucker's cutting trees down and shit out here. A pair of scissors, a bucket, fucking pots, pans, bean cans, another bucket, and this thing full of rock that I'm sure is stolen. I really do, bro.
Do what?
I want to beat this dude up. I feel like beating him up. Can you pull up a little bit and I can grab this box? That's good, man. Hold on. All right, go ahead. You can just go all the way back up there, bro.
This is some kind of, they were cooking dope with this shit, bro, or some shit.
I don't know.
I don't know, cause like, look, obviously they were using this pan for something, or that bucket.
It was hot. You know what I'm thinking?
It has a hole in it for some reason, dude. They're doing some kind of shit, bro.
You know what I'm thinking?
I think we should just go sweep the woods real quick.
All right. What is that shit? Oh, what is that smell? What is that? That's like making my temples pulse right now.
Really? I didn't even smell it. Something that melted the bucket. Or something. Whatever they were doing.
Would you open the lid on that and I'll throw this shit away? Look at scissors.
Some nice ones.
Couple more buckets.
Wait, you're throwing the buckets away?
Yeah, man. They're contaminated as far as I'm concerned. First I seen this, Blake, look. And it should look like locks. And I was like, oh, that's definitely stolen.
Yeah, I was thinking that they were stashing something in it when I first saw it. I was like, ooh, I wonder what's in that.
I know.
Just a bunch of fucking trash. But
tells me I should get some game cams, put them up. Game cams come in the mail, put them up. I find pictures of her in my woods all week, day and night. This is not the first time that I've caught her out here, or him. So they've been told formally, check this video out from, I don't know, 2.5 years ago. The chainsaw, I made that entire trail. She had never even been across this creek. So I know that that wasn't true.
Yeah, whenever Laura was living here, that's whenever we...
And y'all would walk from there across here?
Yeah, to that blue house right there.
Well, if you don't mind, just hop the fence right, do it on their property, and I don't care. Okay. It makes me paranoid because I have a lot of shit around here, and I found somebody out here in the middle of the night the other day.
Oh,
so, and when I found you, you were hiding in those trees right there.
I was trying to get over the fence, and I was trying to get through that fucking creek.
Well, when we drive an ATV through there, just so that we know, see the big trails?
Yeah.
You were stashed in those trees right there.
When?
Right inside of those trees. I had to look. I was staring in the trees, couldn't figure out what it was.
Through.
Okay, it just doesn't make a whole lot of sense when there's wide open field right here. Why you would walk through that patch of trees?
Because I haven't been through this field in a long time.
Okay, but your eyes watered.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Now I do. Now I see that second path right there. It's a lot easier.
Okay.
But I'm not going to come through your property.
Yesterday I put them back up, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Flavor. So I don't know if you can see it, boys. Up there on the tree. Right there's where they cut my fence. Getting some good footage. This morning I go to check them, 8 a.m. they're gone. So 2 of them got stolen from right in front of their, from right there by them. So you can see right here where they cut the fence in both these spots. So I placed the cameras appropriately on my property, facing parallel with my fence line. So guys, out here on my property, there's a fence line back in there. It goes all the way down, it connects here. Pretty obvious fence, super obvious fence. Alright, I had one camera placed here on this tree because this is their little high traffic area they like to come through. Got them some spam out here they've been eating. Collect rocks, and they probably smoke them as well. For real though, dudes, she seriously looked like she's chewing on rocks too. Cut my damn fence. Cut the barbed wire. Cut this here. Make them a gate. That's not all. No, one gate just wasn't good enough for him. So let's go down here. This is what I live next to right here. All this trash. Let's keep going. Like I said, one gate wasn't good enough. So they cut my fence here. Same fence they never seen. Same one that had a no trespassing sign right there. Cut, pulled in. I wonder what they would think if I was on that side of the fence, just out there, you know, dragging my ass like a dog all over the yard. You know what I'm saying? If the shoe was on the other foot and I was back there in that dump, going through it, making it a bigger dump, what they would think of me. Maybe then they would know what trespassing is. All of a sudden they know the definition. So I had another game camera set up right down here. Check this out. So as you can see here, there's their property. My property line was like this. This camera here had a game cam on, wrapped around the tree. They come up and they stole it. It was facing right there where they had their little pots and pans, whatever the hell they was doing with it. They like to cut through here. Use whatever excuse they get in the book when I see them out here. Down 2 game cams, 2 SD cards. Looking at $150 worth of theft on the cameras. And then as far as the fence goes, you know, Blake, hell, he charged me probably $2,000 to wire that fence back up. So I just got to get that on a quote on some paper. You know what I'm saying? Had to cut him 2 gates. You believe that shit? One of them wasn't good enough, so I cut my fence twice. Now my dogs get out. Now I got these neighbors' big ass white dogs on my game cam back here, going through shit, catch them on my security cam in my fucking dumpster all the time, because these dickheads cut a hole in my fence. Now these dogs can get in here. Seems like everybody's go-to move is to make it political. I'm about to anoint myself the straight up street sweeper a New Fairview. I'm sick of this damn shit. I'm tired of them trespassing out here. They've got no right to be out here. And I'm just fed up with the shit. I'm fed up with it. We're gonna get it taken care of one way or another. So you guys, as soon as I have an official charge on these people, I'll offer a reward, because it seems like everybody in New Fairview knows who I'm talking about. Even the sheriffs that came out, which they're helpful, but you know, we wouldn't be having this conversation right now if they had arrested somebody. So, what are you gonna do, man? You know what I'm saying? they're out here polluting this with whatever, all kinds of stuff. And it pisses me out. I've got no trespassing signs everywhere, and there's no reason for them to be out there. And now they're stealing. So there you go. Appreciate it. I've told them multiple times verbally. I've seen a male out here and this female before. Told them both to their faces they're not allowed out here. Tried trespassing them last week. Today I go out there, my game cams are gone. Call the sheriff again, comes out. I filled out paperwork to press charges because I'm sick of this shit. Now they're stealing from me too. They're trespassing, cutting my fence, littering, and they're stealing from me. My plan was to get pictures of the other guy and then once again tell them this is the last straw. You guys aren't allowed over here. I don't know what you're not getting. They took down one of my no trespassing signs. Like I said, cut my fence, deny ever even seeing the fence. They cut 2 holes in my fence, made them 2 different gates, as if one wasn't good enough. Every time it rains, their trash pours all onto my damn property, and I got to go out there and clean it up. And my kids are supposed to be able to play out there. We own this property without being encountered by drug addicts, random strangers, adults, women in bikinis, men half clothed. That's what we're looking at. So, called the sheriff again. They took a report. This is the second time. At this point now I have a name. I already know where they live. Their property backs up against mine. So, we play it by ear. If you're seeing this, I want my game cams back. You're going to fix my damn fence. And I better not catch you back out here again. The only alternative is going to jail. And that's best case scenario. So you better straighten up. And we're watching for you. And if you come near the house, you're in for a rude awakening. You're in for a real rude awakening. I feel like I got to take these matters into my own hands, you know it? And when I set my sights on something, I make sure it gets done. Just like I got pictures of your ass. Just like I already got enough to convict you. No more Mr. Nice Guy since you stole from me. You know what you were doing. You can say you didn't know where the property line was. You could say you didn't know where the fence was that you crossed. You could say you didn't know you were doing wrong when you were polluting the creek every time you do it. And now the one thing you can't say you didn't know you did wrong was steal them damn game cameras. You knew those weren't yours. You know you were stealing it. You know you were trespassing when you were doing it. It's your ass. So, a little bit of context in this video. I'm a little bit heated, and I hope the sheriff gets them before I do. Because my back's against the wall now. And now I've seen the rap sheets on these 3 people that I suspect are out here. And they're not good. And if I were y'all, I would keep an eye on them. And if I were you guys, I would not help them. They're pretty good at helping themselves. So I see a lot of people, you know, I feel bad or have empathy for people like that maybe. Not anymore. Not when they're doing me like this. So I have 3 kids I have to worry about. I don't need to worry about what tweakers in my neighborhood need taken care of or what their shortcomings are. They all need jobs is what they fucking need. If they had jobs, they wouldn't be out here at 10 a.m. robbing my shit. Whoo! Appreciate it, guys. City Council. Take it easy on them citizens posts. Now, we're just citizens. Take it easy with y'all's bickering and fighting. It's a bad look. It's a bad look for a leader. You know, that was one of the worst things Trump did, was lower himself and get into petty arguments with people. Don't do that. Don't do that. Only one of y'all get it straight. It's pretty easy to ignore somebody. I've been trying to do it to these neighbors. You know what I'm saying? Come on. It's a bad look for New Fairview. So's these people out here. It's a bad look. And as far as people asking me what I have out here to be worried about or why they're coming onto my property, don't ask me that. Ask them that. As far as I can tell, they're washing their asses in the creek and dumping out poisonous chemicals. That's all I pretty much know. And stealing. So guys, pretty much what can we take from this video? I mean, don't do drugs. Look at the effect it's had on this person right here. And they're risking their life out there committing felonies, you know, to support their habit. Damn sure not working. So it's sad to see, really, but don't you tread on me. Don't you tread on me. That's why I pay my taxes, so you go to jail. That's straight up how it is. Don't you do it. That's what the system's for. I pay my taxes. Your ass goes to jail, even if I got to drag you there myself. So stay the hell away from me and you won't have no problems. Number two, there's a little bit of good news. Hold on, boys. I gotta lift them all leg up. Check these bucks out right here. Doe and little baby. I don't have pictures of them. I do have pictures of them, but I'm not gonna put them on there. What y'all think about them bucks, boy? Something good. Something good came all this. I got some game cams to catch some crackheads. I put a couple up where there's some deer signs. Come to figure out, they're coming to see me day and night, every day. Every day. So there's a little good news there. All the more reason to keep those people out of my woods. Nearest I can tell, guys, she's been out in the woods straight up looking for her teeth, but she ain't gonna find them out there.